Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Thailand. Answer. B. Japan. Japan is called the land of the rising sun because the Japanese characters for its name mean sun origin. What is the largest country in the world by area? A. Canada. B. China. C. Russia. D. USA. Answer. C. Russia. Russia covers approximately 17.1 million square kilometers, making it the largest country by area. Which country is known for its maple syrup? A. Canada. B. Australia. C. Finland. D. Sweden. Answer. A. Canada. Canada is the largest producer of maple syrup, especially in Quebec. Which country has the most islands in the world? A. Indonesia. B. Sweden. C. Philippines. D. Norway. Answer. B. Sweden. Sweden has around 267,570 islands, the most in the world. Which country is known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean? A. Maldives. B. Sri Lanka. C. Seychelles. D. Mauritius. Answer. B. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean because of its natural beauty and strategic location. Which European country uses the currency called krona? A. Norway. B. Sweden. C. Denmark. D. Finland. Answer. B. Sweden. The currency of Sweden is the Swedish krona. Which country is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? A. Canada. B. Finland. C. Norway. D. Sweden. Answer. B. Finland. Finland is called the land of 1,000 lakes because it has around 188,000 lakes. Which is the smallest country in the world by area? A. Monaco. B. San Marino. C. Vatican City. D. Liechtenstein. Answer. C. Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, covering only 44 hectares. Which country is called the roof of the world? A. Nepal. B. Tibet. C. Switzerland. D. Bhutan. Answer. B. Tibet. Tibet is referred to as the roof of the world because of its high elevation. What is the official language of Brazil? A. Spanish. B. Portuguese. C. French. D. English. Answer. B. Portuguese. Brazil was colonized by Portugal, so Portuguese is its official language. Which country has the nickname the Emerald Isle? A. Scotland. B. Ireland. C. New Zealand. D. Iceland. Answer. B. Ireland. Ireland is called the Emerald Isle due to its lush green landscapes. Which country is home to the Amazon rainforest? A. Peru. B. Brazil. C. Colombia. D. Ecuador. Answer. B. Brazil. The majority of the Amazon rainforest is located in Brazil. Which country hosted the first Olympic Games? A. Italy. B. France. C. Greece. D. Germany. Answer. C. Greece. The first ancient Olympic Games were held in Olympia, Greece, and the modern Olympics started in Athens in 1896. Which country is famous for its tulips and windmills? A. Belgium. B. Netherlands. C. Austria. D. Germany. Answer. B. Netherlands. The Netherlands is known for its tulip fields and traditional windmills. Which country has the longest coastline in the world? A. USA. B. Canada. C. Australia. D. Russia. Answer. B. Canada. Canada has the longest coastline, measuring over 202,080 kilometers. What is the official name of North Korea? A. People's Republic of Korea. B. Democratic People's Republic of Korea. C. Republic of Korea. D. Socialist Korea. Answer. B. Democratic People's Republic of Korea. North Korea's official name is the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, DPRK. Which country is also known as Persia? A. Iraq. B. Iran. C. Turkey. D. Syria. Answer. B. Iran. Iran was historically known as Persia until 1935. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Arabian Desert. B. Sahara Desert. C. Antarctic Desert. D. Gobi Desert. Answer. C. Antarctic Desert. The Antarctic Desert is the largest in the world, covering about 14 million square kilometers. Which country is called the Land of White Elephants? A. Myanmar. B. Thailand. C. Cambodia. D. Laos. Answer B. Thailand. Thailand is known as the Land of White Elephants because white elephants are considered sacred there. Which country is known as the Land of Fire and Ice? A. Iceland. B. Greenland. C. Norway. D. Finland. Answer A. Iceland. Iceland is called the Land of Fire and Ice due to its volcanic activity and glaciers. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? A. Vietnam. B. Brazil. C. Colombia. D. Ethiopia. Answer B. Brazil. Brazil has been the world's largest producer of coffee for over 150 years. Which country is known for its pyramids? A. Mexico. B. Egypt. C. Peru. D. Sudan. Answer B. Egypt. Egypt is famous for its ancient pyramids, including the Great Pyramid of Giza. Which country is called the Land of the Midnight Sun? A. Norway. B. Sweden. C. Finland. D. Iceland. Answer A. Norway. Norway experiences continuous daylight during summer in areas above the Arctic Circle, earning it this nickname. Which country has a city called Timbuktu? A. Morocco. B. Mali. C. Algeria. D. Niger. Answer B. Mali. Timbuktu is an ancient city in Mali, historically significant for trade and Islamic culture. Which country is famous for its kangaroos and koalas? A. Australia. B. New Zealand. C. South Africa. D. Papua New Guinea. Answer A. Australia. Australia is known for its unique wildlife, including kangaroos and koalas. Which country has the Eiffel Tower? A. Germany. B. France. C. Italy. D. Spain. Answer B. France. The Eiffel Tower is located in Paris, France, and is one of the most famous landmarks in the world. Which country is referred to as the Land of Thunder Dragon? A. Nepal. B. Bhutan. C. Tibet. D. Myanmar. Answer B. Bhutan. Bhutan is called the Land of Thunder Dragon due to its local name, Drak Yul. Which country has the largest Muslim population? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Pakistan. C. Indonesia. D. Bangladesh. Answer C. Indonesia. Indonesia has the largest Muslim population, with more than 200 million Muslims. Which country is known as the Land of Maple Leaf? A. Canada. B. USA. C. Finland. D. Sweden. Answer A. Canada. The maple leaf is a national symbol of Canada, featured prominently on its flag. Which country is the origin of the pizza and pasta? A. France. B. Italy. C. Spain. D. Greece. Answer B. Italy. Italy is known for originating pizza and pasta, now popular worldwide. Which country is famous for the Machu Picchu ruins? A. Mexico. B. Peru. C. Chile. D. Bolivia. Answer B. Peru. Machu Picchu is an ancient Incan city located in Peru. Which country is known for the Statue of Liberty? A. France. B. USA. C. UK. D. Italy. Answer B. USA. The Statue of Liberty is located in New York City and symbolizes freedom and democracy. Which country has the longest river in the world, the Nile? A. Egypt. B. Sudan. C. Ethiopia. D. Uganda. Answer A. Egypt. The Nile River flows through several countries but is most associated with Egypt. Which country is also known as the Land Down Under? A. New Zealand. B. Australia. C. South Africa. D. Argentina. Answer B. Australia. Australia is called the Land Down Under because it is located in the southern hemisphere. Which country has a dragon on its national flag? A. Bhutan. B. Wales. C. China. D. Japan. Answer A. Bhutan. Bhutan's flag features a dragon, symbolizing its local name, Drak Yul, the Land of the Thunder Dragon.